Hello guys, it's Gossi from codejury once again, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can set up Payoneer 3 to run more advanced codes on your Android device. So when you open up your Payoneer 3 application, so I'm going to be first of all showing you how you can save this document that is here. So in the top right hand corner you can see a folder icon. What you do is to click on it and you click on save. If you have not saved it before, you select the storage where you want to save it. So you select the storage and then you give your file a name. I can call my app.py, and we save any Python file with .py extension, and then when you hit save, it will save your code, and you can see that the name has been changed to the name of your application. So also you can also open other Python files. So you click on the folder icon and you click on open, and then you go to your storage wherever you have saved any of your Python files. So let's open this Python file to see, and you can see that it has opened in the Python file code.py. So we can also create new files the same way. On the folder icon, you click on it, you tap on new, and it will open a new file for you, and then you can go to different areas of your code. And so we are going to be looking at installing some Python packages. So what you do is, in your Payoneer 3, you come to the top right left hand corner and you can see the folder icon, the three lines. You can see three lines by the top left hand corner, and when you click on it, you see get premium, interpreter, the terminal, the pip, the share, the pastebins, the samples. And so the interpreter is where you can run Python codes directly and print them out to the screen, and also the terminal, and the pip is where you can install Python packages. And so you go to quick install and you can see different packages that you can install on the PyDroid, and you can see their uses. So for example, the scikit-learn is used for machine learning. So when you click on install, it will start installing it will download the package and then install it on your smartphone. And so while it installs, we are going to also be looking at some samples. So you can come to the sample section, and then you can see different samples. So let's go at the basics. So let's go to text input. I'll click on open, and so we can run this code. And when you click on the play button, it asks for a name, and then you can input my name and then press enter key, and it says hello codejury. And so that's where you can get the examples. So to change the settings of your PyDroid, you come to the settings, and then you can change the appearance, the editor. You can change whatever you want to change, and you can turn the interface to be white or dark. And so guys, let's also look at the QPython 3L. So when you open your QPython 3L, if you want to install packages in QPython 3L, you go to the QPyPI, and then from here you can install Python packages either using the pip or the ones available. So when you click on install with QPyPI, it will show you available packages that you can install and download. So you can choose to install any of the packages and it will install them for you. Okay, we can also run this in the background, and then you can also install directly from the pip console. So when you type on the pip console, you can install the package using pip3. So you type pip3, the name of the package. So for example, I want to install Kiwi, so I type in pip3 install Kiwi, and then I press enter. And so while we wait for it to install, you can see that it has started collecting Kiwi to install in my phone. And so Kiwi will be downloaded in my phone. And so that's how you can install packages using the QPython 3L, and you can print and start writing your code using the QPython 3L. So guys, you can also save file in the QPython 3L. All you have to do is you type on this cassette button by the left hand side, and then you can save your file with whatever name you want to save it. So guys, thanks for watching. With that, you have come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, share the video, like. Also invite your friends to learn more about this, to learn more about Python. For those having issues with running Python, please drop your question in the comment section. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.